Welcome to the Ownership Review, where we do a bunch of maintenance to see what this car is like to live with on a daily basis.
Here are the high points of the 2002 Ford Focus. Both the front and rear wiper blades are easy to replace on this vehicle. Other models will require the use of tools when changing your blades. The engine coolant reservoir is easily visible in the engine bay. This will allow you to check and replenish the fluid level on a regular basis. Changing the fog light is easy to do, as you only have to reach under the vehicle for access to the bulb. Not everything is perfect. Here are the pain points. You will need to remove Torx bolts in order to replace the center brake light. The tools necessary may not be readily available for repair. The taillight bulbs can be difficult to replace, as you'll need to remove the housing for access. This will require many steps first to allow you to remove the housing. To access the oil drain plug for an oil change, you will have to make a tough reach under the vehicle first. Overall, the 2002 Ford Focus is a relatively easy vehicle to maintain when compared to other similar models.